Hello, food explorers! Today we are going on a deliciously scientific journey. Ever wondered how chefs create those magical dishes that seem too good to be real? We're about to unveil the secrets. Before we do, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all our culinary adventures. Ready to delve into the mesmerizing world of molecular gastronomy? Let's go! The concept of molecular gastronomy. First things first, what is molecular gastronomy? Well, in simple words, it's where science and cooking have a dance. It's a way of cooking that uses scientific principles to create new, exciting dishes. Think of it like this, it's like being a food scientist in your own kitchen. Molecular gastronomy is where science and cooking merge to create exciting new dishes. Examples of molecular gastronomy. So, what does this look like in practice? Picture this, tiny spheres that look like caviar but burst with the sweet juice of a strawberry when you bite into them, or a balsamic vinegar that comes in the form of pearls. These are the miracles of molecular gastronomy, achieved through fun processes like spherification and jellification. From fruit caviar to balsamic pearls, molecular gastronomy allows chefs to transform everyday ingredients into extraordinary experiences. The impact of molecular gastronomy on the culinary world. The ripples of this fascinating cooking style are felt around the globe, with top chefs like Heston Blumenthal and Ferran Adria leading the charge. As the famous Ferran Adria once said, cooking is a language. By learning the language, you can use it to create new expressions. And that's precisely what molecular gastronomy is about. It's not just for the pros, though. You, too, can be a food magician in your own kitchen. Cooking is a language. By learning the language, you can use it to create new expressions. Ferran Adria. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Molecular gastronomy, the delightful union of science and food that has transformed how we cook and eat. It's all about creativity, innovation, and a splash of science. Are you excited to try it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're excited about transforming your kitchen into a food lab, stay tuned for our upcoming DIY molecular gastronomy videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Molecular gastronomy is about creativity, innovation, and a splash of science. Until next time, keep exploring and keep cooking. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our food adventures. Bon appetit!